Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. And somebody sent me this quick read scan, QR scan, and they want to cut it out. They've already done all the hard work by putting, I don't even know how they did that easily, but so one would think, like he's done right here on the red one, would be to take your virtual segment delete key and delete some lines, but it'd be a lot of lines to delete to get it all done and then fill that in. Well, you don't have to do that in this case. If you're going to cut it out, I've got my nudge factor set on 25 because this item is 24. My suggestion would just be to take the Smart Fill tool and fill that in. And you see one that's not filled in because the Smart Fill tool couldn't get to it. And then just like he's going to do there, the blue, the blue, the blue, the blue, the blue, and then of course he put an outline around it like that. And then what we have to do is take it all and left click. We're going to right click in red because he's going to cut it out, make sure it's a hairline. And there you go. That would, I'm guessing he's making a puzzle. And there's actually some more that I see now that it didn't quite get to. If we look like right there, no, everything, well, unless he wants that inner part done too, you just take the Smart Fill tool, fill that in, move it over, left click, no fill, right click, outline. I'm hoping that helped him a little bit. And then if he is making a puzzle, which is pretty ingenious, I love it, he would just cut this out of two different kinds of wood and then alternate the woods to make this puzzle. Anyway, I hope that helped him a little bit.